So today had to have been the worst day of my life. The other day I sold my truck to get ready for the rapture. Then last night I gave away everything that was in my savings account. I woke up this morning and I was still here. I was severely disappointed and devastated. Then I had to fucking Uber to fucking work. I've been at my job for 25 years and I have never in my life been late. It's the first time I've ever been late in my life to work. And my boss asked me, "Why are you late?" And I had to explain to him that I no longer had my truck, that I sold it. And he asked me, what was the reason? Why would you sell your truck? And I had to tell him that I sold it because I thought I was going to be taken up in the rapture today, and I had to come to fucking work. He fucking laughed at me and told me I got some overtime for you. This life fucking sucks.
I don't know what to do. I woke up this morning and everyone is still here. I donated. I sold my car. I gave away my favorite Funko Pop. Everything's gone. I guess I've heard that it could still be today, but I'm starting to worry.